Every minute, emergency supplies are produced in factories like this, ready to save lives when disaster strikes. Every minute, emergency supplies are produced in factories like this, ready to save lives when disaster strikes.
Scan confirms the sterilization date.
And the tensile strength on the plastic is holding steady. Inside the emergent supplies factory, these automated cutting machines precisely slice medical fabrics.
In this section, advanced filtration technology guarantees sterile, sealed emergency water supplies. Food packs for emergency supplies are vacuum sealed to ensure long-term storage.
Small power cells are rapidly assembled here, destined for emergency radios and flashlights, ensuring reliable communication when it matters most.
Here at the facility, we produce the critical power cells needed for emergency response. Here in the testing facility.
The automated system ensures that every emergency kit receives the vital survival instructions before moving to the sealing stage. Here at the Automated Distribution Center, robots precisely stack emergency supplies, ensuring rapid deployment during a crisis.
Certain emergency supplies are stored in temperature-controlled zones.
Certain emergency supplies are stored in temperature-controlled zones.
We need to divert the shipment to the northern sector immediately. The vaccine count is dropping below critical levels.
I'm on it. Rerouting now.
Inside the facility, automated systems ensure every piece of equipment is sanitized using high-pressure mist and UVC light.
We need another pallet ready in 5 minutes.
It's already on its way, Supervisor.
We have a critical bottleneck here in Africa. I need those diverted immediately.
Rerouting the convoys now. ETA updated on the main screen.
We need immediate clearance for the Jakarta route. It's critical.
Confirmed. Rerouting air support now. The route is clear.
Clear the bay. We're bringing in the next shipment. Truck 7, you are green to go. Confirm manifest copy.
We need Bay 4 cleared immediately. Get that truck moving.
Copy that. Moving now.
Keep it moving. Next truck is waiting. Watch your clearance on the left. This one is secured. Let's roll.
Convoy 33, you are clear for departure. Confirming route Sierra Uniform Zulu. Godspeed.
The international dispatch is underway. These trucks carry urgent emergency supplies, beginning their journey across the globe.
The output on line 3 dipped slightly. We need to stabilize that.
Agreed. I'm rerouting the raw material flow now. It should correct shortly.
We have a critical bottleneck on line 3. Warehouse intake is falling behind.
Understood. Reroute the priority shipment to Dock 7 immediately. I'm initiating the override now.
So this is the updated rotation for the PPE line. We need full coverage.
Is the break schedule still the same?
Yes, it is. Thank you. Let's keep this moving.
We need to move Mark over to the sealing line for the next shift.
Already done. Go straight to sealing. We're behind schedule.
That's the last pallet checked against the manifest here.
Confirmed. The final audit is complete and signed off. Batch 42 confirms with the manifest.
Scan complete. Everything matches the digital record.
All right, finalizing the audit.
Emergency supplies ready for crisis response. Rows of finished emergency supplies pallets stand ready for immediate deployment.
Okay, the water goes in the back left, secure it tightly. We need this shipment out by sunrise.
This is how emergency supplies are produced every minute to protect lives worldwide. Subscribe for more incredible factory stories.
This is how emergency supplies are produced every minute to protect lives worldwide.